In this video, we're going to walk through how to use the generic fastener function. I'm going to select fastener from my list. And in here, I can click the pencil icon to configure my advanced settings. First, I'm going to input the diameter of the fastener. Next, I can specify the flushness offset. This is how far inside the outer edge of the diameter I'm going to check the flushness of my fastener. Next, I can specify my flushness min and max limits. These are my tolerance thresholds for fastener flushness. And finally, I'm going to define my reference surface. The reference surface distance defines how far outside the edge of the fastener am I going to start my reference surface. And the reference surface width determines how wide that reference surface is. We're basically defining a donut shape around the fastener head to determine our reference surface. And then I'll click Analyze. Then we can see the output includes the flushness min, the flushness max, the head dishing, and the perpendicularity. It also says pass. The flushness min is going to be represented by the blue dot, and the flushness min is going to be represented by the blue dot, and the flushness max is going to be represented by the red dot. These are the deepest and tallest points along the profile we are checking the flushness on. And the head dishing refers to the dishing shape of the head of the fastener, and perpendicularity will be the angle that it is inset at. Now in this example, if I change the flushness offset, you'll see the location where we check the flushness change. On the image overlay, you can see we're checking further inside the edge of the fastener. Now if I'm happy with my configuration here, I can go ahead and click Set Defaults. And now this is the default configuration for my fastener function. We can clone the fastener function for different diameter fastener heads or different tolerances. Now let's go look at another fastener. This is the same type of fastener, but we can see it's protruding. Now if I perform my analysis here, we're going to see that this one is failing. You can see it's protruding further than our specified limit. And you can see the pass value is set to false. This analysis can be run from the capture page so that you can quantify your fastener flushness as you capture scans rather than having to go and analyze ones individually. All of this data can be exported as a CSV file or into a PDF report.